Good morning students, welcome all of you for the geography class, and today we are going to study about the commercial farming. As I read for you, please follow page number 48. Commercial agriculture is the large scale production of crop for sale, intended for widespread distribution to wholesaler or retail outlets. In commercial farming, crops such as wheat, maize, tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana, and cotton are harvested and sold in the world's world markets. Commercial agriculture includes livestock production and livestock grazing. Due to the expensive nature of the capital formation and implementation of technological processes, the landowners of such farms are often large agricultural corporations. Large scale commercial farming, in terms of some of its processes, may be conceptually not very different from large industrial enterprises. Commercial farming is most commonly found in advanced industrialized nations. Commercial agriculture differ significantly for subsistence agriculture, as the main objective of commercial agriculture is achieving higher profits through economics of scale, specialization, and reduction of capital intensive farming techniques, labor saving technologies, and maximization of crops yields per hectare through synthetic and natural resources. Commercial farming is practiced in Europe, USA, Canada, Russia, and Australia. Products such as apples, grapes, mushrooms, cauliflowers, broccoli, etc. are grown using the practices of commercial farming. In India, some examples of commercial agriculture includes onion from Nasik in Maharashtra, oranges from Maharashtra and Sikkim, cauliflowers from southwest Bengal, apples from Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir, and fine qualities rice from Haryana, Punjab, Uttarakhand, and Himachal Pradesh, coconuts and spices such as gingers and garlics from Kerala, potatoes from West Bengal and Maharashtra, cotton from the Deccan Plateaus, and mangoes from Bihar. Some commercial farming can be broadly classified into three categories: commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantation farming. Okay, then here says commercial grain farming. In commercial grain farming, crops are grown for commercial purpose. Wheat and maize are commercially grown grains. Commercial grain farming is mostly practiced in the temperate grassland of North America, Paris, Europe, and Asia. Page number 48. Steps. These are sparsely populated with large farms spreading over hundreds of hectares. Severe winters restrict the growing seasons, and only a single crop is grown. This distinctive type of agriculture, known as commercial grain farming, was developed in US. It is a type of agriculture that is largely dependent on mechanization. It started with the invention of farm machinery in the early 20th century. The use of machinery allows farmer to cultivate grains on a large scale. Okay, look at the picture. Here says combine harvesters. Okay, so in the next class we are going to study about the mixed farming. Thank you all of you. God bless you all.